radar flight. You have to download a radar flight, then you see flight radar. You can see what plane is flying. Flight radar apps. You download it. Download an app's flight radar, and you can see the plane flying. What kind of plane, where it came from, and where to landing. Country Boy Magic, hello. Good journey, thank you so much. Mega love, shout out to you. Zoom out, zoom in natin. Sunny day today, 20 degrees. Summer now. Summer. Sometimes there's an electric car here. What you call that? Elon Musk car. Tesla. Electric. Well, if it's run out of battery, just leave it in the middle of the road. If it's run out of battery, because you have to charge it. You need an extra battery.
I don't think you can have an extra battery. It's in the south of it.
What the heck is massive battery?
Well, I don't know what is it. £50,000 from your battery is more like 20,000.
15,000.
Yeah.
Oh my lord, expensive.
Something like that, maybe more.
15,000 to change battery. Oh my god. 15,000 pounds to change the electric Tesla car. Expensive. It's not economical car. It's not economical. And you have to pay charging expensive than the fuel, the charging electric. Better ride a bicycle.
It's anywhere from 8 to 20,000 from your battery.
Really? Oh my, 20,000 to replace the Tesla battery car. It's a nice car, but it's so expensive. Expensive to maintain, I think. To change battery, 20,000. You better buy new car, another car, for changing battery. Hi to you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day, Country Boy Magic. Thank you so much. Shout out everyone. Ayan, mainit na dito sa England. It's warm now in England. Sunshine. Very sunny today. It's warm.